Okay, it's Friday night adventure. Step one was grab a beer. Step two, grab a ticket, because I'm going to, I always butcher the name, Porto Venere on that boat there. So, wish me a great day, and I sure wish you a great day. Man, I love all these towns. They're so wicked. All right. So I think where Steve and Mary got married is a castle, not a church. And it looks like there's one entrance, and it also closed 2 minutes ago. So I definitely wasn't gonna make it, but geez, it would have been good. Maybe I'll come back. All right. Cheers, everybody. You know, I just feel different. Now that I've got over 100 subscribers, I feel amazing. I feel incredible. I just feel unreal. That probably has something to do that I'm hanging out in Italy too, though. Now that I'm a big deal, I guess what I'm really looking forward to is just influencing people and influencing things, because now that I'm an influencer, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to influence influencers and do a lot of influencing. I can't wait to influence. If you see me out eating at a fancy place like Burger King or McDonald's, don't approach me. Wait till I'm done and I'm outside. Do not look me in the eye unless I look you in the eye first. No, I won't just collab because you only have 50 subscribers and I have over 100. Come on, give your head a shake. No, I won't just sign anything you want me to sign. Just kidding, I'll sign anything.